Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by powering off and unplugging the monitor, then place it face down on a soft towel so you don't stress the panel. Once positioned, feel along the rear where the stand meets the chassis to find either a release latch or 4 screws. This determines your next move. Use the correct screwdriver to avoid stripping fasteners, and keep your hand under the stand neck to support it the moment any fastener is removed. You should support the stand neck with one hand, then depress the release button firmly or remove the screws in a crisscross pattern to reduce torque. Once the fasteners are free, pull the neck straight away from the monitor. Don't twist, because many brackets have internal clips that can snap. Afterward, pry off the small plastic hinge cover if present and set all screws and clips into a labeled container so reassembly is simple and nothing gets lost. Finish by removing any remaining base plate or collar and keep the VESA cover if you plan to wall mount later. This preserves the threads. Make sure the monitor sits stable on your padded surface and that no loose parts remain attached. If the stand won't separate, double-check for a recessed screw under a sticker or rubber foot and use a plastic pry tool rather than metal to release clips. If resistance persists, stop and reassess to avoid breaking plastic mounts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.